Saturated calomel electrode SCE. It is used as a secondary reference electrode to determine the standard potentials of the electrode. Components of a saturated calomel electrode. Here are components of saturated calomel electrode. Electrode body. Saturated calomel electrode consists of a glass vessel having a bent side tube. Here is saturated calomel electrode, which is composed of glass vessel and which is transparent. Mercury. At the bottom of the tube is liquid elemental mercury. Mercury provides stable and conductive medium for the operation of the electrode. The mercury electrode is crucial as it shows low reactivity. Mercury is low reactive and remains liquid across a wide temperature range. Calomel or mercurous chloride. A paste of mercury 1 chloride, also known as calomel or mercurous chloride, is placed in contact with the mercury. This solid paste forms the basis of the electrochemical reaction. Saturated potassium chloride solution KCl. The electrode consists of an inner tube packed with a paste of mercury, mercurous chloride and potassium chloride situated within a second tube that contains saturated potassium chloride solution. The saturation is achieved by adding excess of potassium chloride crystal to the solution until no more dissolved. Porous glass fluid. A porous barrier allows potassium chloride solution to interact with the external solution while preventing the mercury from leaking out. So porous fluid prevents mercury from leakage. This junction is crucial for maintaining equilibrium and allowing ionic flow. Furthermore, it maintains equilibrium and allows flow of ions. Electrical connection. Conductive wire or platinum wire is connected to the mercury. This wire allows electrical measurement to be taken from the electrode. Here is an ideal saturated calomel electrode, which is made of glass vessel and it has fill hole, and in the inner tube there is liquid mercury filled. Along with this, the mercurous chloride and potassium chloride are also added. There is a hole, and to connect this, a saturated potassium chloride solution is used, and to further saturate this solution, potassium chloride crystals are added. Here are potassium chloride crystals which are used to concentrate the solution. At the bottom of the cell there is porous fluid that maintains equilibrium and also provides ionic movement. This cell is connected to the potentiometer through a wire, that is platinum wire. Assembly process. Preparation of calomel paste. A mixture of mercury and mercurous chloride is prepared to create a paste. This paste is placed within the electrode body, filling the electrode. The electrode body is then filled with saturated potassium chloride solution, ensuring that mercury is in contact with the calomel paste. Sealing. The electrode is sealed to prevent contamination and evaporation of potassium chloride solution while allowing the reference junction to remain exposed to the external environment. Working. The potential of the calomel electrode or saturated electrode depends upon the concentration of chloride or chlorine ion. A saturated chloride solution ensures that the chloride ion's concentration in the electrode remains constant. To make the concentration of potassium chloride constant, a saturated solution is used. For this, some potassium chloride crystals, which are solid, are added over the mercurous chloride paste. Calomel paste serves as a salt bridge. Apart from this, calomel paste serves as a salt bridge that allows ion exchange while maintaining a constant chloride ion concentration. It also contributes to saturated calomel electrodes' stable potential. In the case of potentiometer, this electrode acts as anode and oxidation will take place. For this, metallic mercury oxidizes to mercurous ions. Then the chloride ions supplied by the potassium chloride solution combine with the mercuric ions to form insoluble mercurous chloride, that is, here mercurous ion combine with the chloride ion to make mercurous chloride. Overall reaction. Here is the overall reaction. The metallic mercury combines with the chloride ion to make mercurous chloride. Nernst equation. In order to determine potential of the electrode, Nernst equation is employed. And here, standard reference electrode, that is calomel, taken, and this is general gas constant and temperature, that is usually 25 degrees centigrade, and that is divided by Faraday, and natural log is taken for the activity of chloride ion, where E0 is the standard electrode potential for the reaction and A is the activity for chloride ion at equilibrium. This can also be written as the electrode of the cell, and here this is the value for the general gas equation and temperature and divided by Faraday, and we get the electrode potential of the cell. The saturated calomel electrode has a stable reference potential, that is 0.27 volt. Easy construction, easily maintained, stable and reproducible potential. Disadvantages. Due to health hazards and toxicity, saturated calomel electrode is not being preferred, and at the place of this, silver chloride electrode is employed.